Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Black Myth Wukong on Windows PC and Mac. Alright, let's begin. First, open your web browser and search for Steam. After that, click on the first link that appears. Now click on Install Steam at the top and download it. Once the download is complete, open the installation file and follow my steps to set up Steam. Next, open Steam and click on Create a free account if you don't already have one. Follow my instructions to create an account. Once that's done, use the search bar at the top right corner of your screen and type in Black Myth Wukong. Click on it when it appears and scroll down. Now click on Add to Cart and add it to your cart. Go to your cart and click on Continue to Payment. Choose your preferred payment method, fill in the necessary details, and complete the purchase. After you've made the purchase, go to your library where you will find Black Myth Wukong listed. Click on the game, and then click Install. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to play the game, and that's it. So that's basically how you can download Black Myth Wukong on Windows PC and Mac. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.